Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. T. Sudarshan Ramaperumal, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today, we're going to see about the sensors and actuators. So, sensors will be communicated with the environment, and actuators will be respond from the input of the sensors. So, sensors are fundamental building blocks of IoT networks. Sensors are the foundation elements founded in the smart objects, the things in the Internet of Things. The smart objects are any physical objects that contains embedded technology to sense or interact with their environment in a meaningful way by being interconnected and enabling communication among themselves or an external agent. The sensors and actuators. Sensors convert various form of energy into electrical signals. Actuators convert electrical signals into various form of energy, typically mechanical energies. And it is an input transducers and actuators is an output transducers. Functions is used to quantifying environmental stimuli into a signals used for converting signals into proportional mechanical or electrical outputs. Examples: humidity sensor, temperature sensors, and the actuators examples are motors, pumps, etc. Sensors can measure or qualify or respond to the ambient changes in their environment or within the initialized zone of their deployment. Generate response to external stimulation or physical phenomena through input functions and their conversion into electrical signals. It is insensitive to any other property besides what it is designed to detect. A sensor does not influence the measured property. Sensor now combination of a sensor or sensors, processor unit, a radio unit, and power unit. The nodes are capable of sensing the environment. They are set to measure and communicate the information to other sensor nodes or remote servers. These are some of the available sensors in the market: camera sensors, color sensors, current sensors, digital temperature humidity sensors, flame sensors, gas sensors, infrared sensors, rainfall sensors, etc. Categories of sensors. Sensors will be categorized into active or passive sensors. Sensors can be categorized based on whether they produce an energy output, whether they simply receiving energy or typically require no external power supplies. Non-invasive sensors may categorize based on whether sensor is part of the environmental is a measuring invasive, external to it is a non-invasive category. Actuators is a machine or a system common that can affect the movement or control the said mechanisms of the system. Control system affect changes to the environment property they are controlling through actuators. The system activate the actuator through a control signals which may be digital or analog. The outline of the simple actuating systems is a monitoring, processing, actuations and environment. So in real world physical environment sense and measures, digital representation electrical signals actuators act work. So these are the very simple example for the sensors and actuators. Sensors will nothing but our tongue, hand, eye, ear, nose. These are the physical sensor that will be receive the information from the outside and that will be given to the our brain. The brain will be act the our leg and hand depends upon the information received from the our physical identity. Smart objects are quite simple. The building blocks of IoT. Smart objects are any physical object that contain embedded technology to sense or interact with their environmental in a meaningful way by being interconnected and enabling communications among themselves or an external agent. They are what transforms every day object into a network of intelligent objects that are able to learn from interact with their environment in a meaningful way. If a sensor is a standalone device that simply measures the humidity of the soil, it is interesting and useful, but it is not revolutionary. If a same sensor connector is a part of intelligent network that is able to coordinate intelligently with the actuators to trigger irrigation system as a need based on the sensor reading, we have something for more powerful. Limitations of smart objects in wireless Sensor networks, limited processing power, limited memory, lossy communication, limited transmission speed, limited power. And control system, it is a unit of small computers on a single integrated circuit containing microprocessor or processing port memory and programmable input output devices peripherals. It is responsible for major processing of IoT devices, and all logical operations are carried out here.